welcome to Legal Basics with Sarah Lookable, and my name is Sian. Today we are going to talk about how to keep your business out of trouble. Number one, if your business is registered, ensure that all your records are up to date. If your business is a company, make sure you file your annual returns in time. If your business is regulated under anybody or any organization or any association that requires you to file any periodic paperwork, ensure that that paperwork is filed in good time to escape penalties. Secondly, if your business is under a body that requires any of the owners or the people operating under your business to be certified, ensure that their certificates are up to date. For people that belong to professional organizations, this might require them to attend periodic training. If it's possible, let your business pay for this training so that people that work under the business are always up to date with their paperwork. Thirdly, have very clear contracts. Sometimes a business is doing its best, but just because the contracts are not clear or the communication with their customers, they end up getting bad reviews. For instance, if you're in a business that offers products and services that need you to go to where the customer is, ensure that when you communicate with your customer, you agree on timelines, you agree on price, you agree on any factors that may make you charge a higher price, because these are the things that make your business get bad reviews, which in turn affects your credibility and it affects your brand. Third, data protection. Now, depending with whatever jurisdiction that your business exists in or the country, you might have data protection laws or you might not. Whether or not you have data protection laws, you need to keep yourself up to date with the things that are happening in the world. Today, businesses collect a lot of data on their clients. Now, you need to ensure that the data that you collect on clients is protected. Whoever works for your business, ensure that you train them on their duty to confidentiality, because it would be very wrong for you to employ people that take data or information and then they broadcast it. It would expose your business to lawsuits. Third, you need to ensure that you're having the correct contracts with your employees. A lot of businesses are stuck in the employment court. They are sued day in, day out because they do their things wrongly. When you do employ people to work for your business, you need to ascertain which laws apply to them. If they are contract workers, then you need contracts that specify the time and the obligations that the business has towards these people, and exactly at which point the relationship between the business and the employee will be severed. If your business employs casual workers, remember, just calling an arrangement a casual employment is not what determines whether it's a casual employment. So you need to know exactly which laws apply to casual employees, whether the arrangement that you have with your casual employee actually makes them a casual laborer or a permanent worker. Now, when you do have permanent workers under your business, ensure that you have the right contracts and that the business is meeting its statutory obligations. For instance, if a business operates in Kenya, it is the obligation of the business to pay tax on behalf of the employees. It is also the business's obligation to pay their national hospital insurance contributions and their NSSF, which is their retirement contributions. So, at all times, ensure that your documentation is proper, that your contracts are clear, that you're protecting the data collected from your clients, and that the business is on its obligation with its employees. I hope that this has been helpful. We're going to have other broadcasts to expound on the concepts that we have introduced on this broadcast. Please take care of your families write to us at cyrillowglobal@gmail.com. Bye-bye.